Think you can make art out of a strand of human hair? How about art on it? A Russian sculptor produces detailed works of art on a microscopic scale.
It's art, but not as you know it. These sculptures are so tiny, you need a microscope to see them. This exhibition shows the work of Russian artist Vladimir Anishkin. He calls himself a micro-miniaturist and makes the sculptures using a microscope and handmade tools. His art fits on a sliced grapeseed, a grain of rice, or even a human hair. It's a kind of work that requires extreme self-control.
If you hold an instrument under a microscope and relax, you will see that the end of the instrument moves each time your heart beats. The heart beats in pulses, and between those pulses you have around half a second to make a controlled movement. After much practice, I have learned to work between my heartbeats. In those breaks, I do the most diligent work.
Anishkin's skill is drawing visitors to an exhibition of his work in Novosibirsk in Siberia. Anishkin's been making these sculptures since 1998. One of his early works was this caravan of camels that fits in the eye of a needle. More recently, football club Zenit St. Petersburg's victory in the UEFA Cup inspired Anishkin to make the trophy in miniature. But he says the cup's complicated design caused him particular problems. It took him about 2 months to work out how to make the sculpture. But the challenge wasn't too great, and his completed creation now stands 2 millimeters high.